Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract your RAR and zip archives on Motorola Moto G Pure. And to do this you will need to open a Rar app. I shown you previously on how to download it. Here we can find the files that we want to unpack. Let's go for camera.rar. Here we have two images and we can either select them both like that or click on this arrow pointing up button to unpack entire archive. Now we're in extraction options and we can change any of them, but I'm gonna leave it as a default. And the only thing I'm gonna do is go for browse to change the designation where the files will be unpacked, and I want them here. Click on OK, then confirm it with OK again, and the files are extracted. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.